Hey, on today's installment of Garage Time, we're going to be starting the repair on Will's race car because a couple of weeks ago, he did this.
Hit so hard, knocked the motor mounts loose. It's warped. Right here is where the frame actually buckled.
Yeah,
right there.
I saw that when we looked at it.
And it started tearing where the actual bottom A-frame connects. This is what buckled, and the frame rolled this way.
Yeah.
And condensed back this way.
Yeah. Where'd you get this hunk of junk?
Found it on Craigslist. I'm gonna put this underneath my car to replace the frame that's in there. I'm gonna sand it down and paint it. Put all my good racing stuff on it.
Okay. So what part? Just the front clip, like?
Yeah, just the actual frame is what I need.
Okay. How far back toward the firewall?
It goes back to probably about right here. That's all gonna come out.
We're gonna need a good month and a half to do this.
What?
It's a lot of work, man.
It's got 4 bolts in it. All I gotta do is unhook the steering rod, undo the brakes, and there's 4 bolts, and it comes right out.
Okay. We got anything to keep the car from falling on us?
Yeah, I'll move something around here whenever.
Oh, those messed up tires over there.
Yeah,
those good. Those good for jacks.
Hey, Will, since we're going to be working on a car from the 80s, can I play my 80s music in the movie? If you want.
Chases the sun away, you remain. When light takes over the dark again, where do you stay? 'Cause I can see it's written on your face. You want me there to take me to that place. Well, I just wanna feel it. I just wanna feel it.
Shit. Just had a tool casualty. Will broke his screwdriver trying to pry the thing off. So
Pack your bags, you say. Let's escape this trap town.
is it because of the heat? Is that why you feel like you're not having fun? Or is it because somebody is just walking around with a camera and not really doing anything? Is that what's getting you?
Due to my sponsors, I might say no comment at this time.
What's the first thing you do whenever you're gonna start working on your car? You jack up your car. Why would you name a dog after a that? I'll come up with something witty to say for the video. Okay, so tell me the benefits of the Sawzall.
There's no sparks.
Okay.
You can cut closer to the edge that you want to.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to reposition 100 times. You just cut right through.
Okay, so that's 3 major things. All right, tell me the 3 main things that are best about a grinder.
It's faster. I can get a cleaner cut straight through it just like that, whereas his is jagged and crooked.
And you also
I don't have to worry about my blade snapping off and flying off and hitting somebody.
Position 2.
Well, in some things, multiple positions is considered, knowing multiple positions is considered a bonus.
Position 3.
See, he knows how to do it. He knows 3 ways to get to the same thing. You only have 1 way to get to this.
I see what reference you're making, but come on.
Yeah. What are we looking for?
I was looking for like simple green, but
The general hat doesn't have it.
this is like toilet bowl cleaner.
Maybe we need to.
Maybe a different off.
I'm always recording. Will, you just need to get used to it. People have to know what the lives of amateur racers are like.
Like this. But not
Yeah.
exciting.
Yeah. It's not exciting at all. All it is walking through stores looking for things that you can't find. Now, they had that stuff on the other aisle too.
Oh, thanks.
What are other purposes for simple green?
They say that on camera, people learn my secrets.
Oh yeah, you put it. I know, but what is it?
It's a degreaser.
A degreaser. Oh well, that we need to go to an automotive place then.
Hold on.
They're not gonna have it in like.
You might have it.
It's car related. They're not gonna have it in one of these places.
I need to grab some Camtex from Marty.
I'm sure he'd love to hear you say that.
What?
This shit right here will work. I was just trying to see if it had any.
Super strength. What?
Cleaner and degreaser.
Oh.
Indoor, outdoor garage. Same.
Mean. Yeah, mean green.
I just prefer simple green.